Hi, my name is Janine, and today I'll show you how to book a service appointment for your Genesis. To begin, keep in mind that your Genesis has to be serviced every 12 months or 10,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Our Genesis vehicles include a feature that alerts you when your car is due for service. The infotainment screen will provide a notification, but you can always verify by navigating through the menus. The notification is set up to trigger a reminder before your service is due, typically 2,000 kilometers prior or 30 days, whichever one comes first. The simplest method to schedule your next service appointment is by visiting genesismaple.ca. There, you can book it online or call Genesis Maple for a faster response. During this call, we'll confirm whether you want to use the complimentary valet service or drop the vehicle off yourself. We'll send you a general reminder email indicating the date and time of your appointment. When our Genesis Valet Manager arrives at the pickup location, they will call you. We will go through which services are being performed on your vehicle and do a cosmetic walk-around with images to assure your peace of mind when we take your car. The Valet Manager will also give you a loaner vehicle so you can get on your day without any fuss. A factory-trained, licensed Genesis technician will service your car, making sure that all essential parts are carefully inspected and in good operating order. The Genesis technician will replace your engine and oil filters, cabin air filter, spark plugs, fuel injector cleaner, and brake servicing, depending on the service you qualify for. When your vehicle is done being serviced, our team will provide a complimentary car wash. As a reminder, all Genesis guests receive worry-free ownership with complimentary scheduled maintenance for 5 years or 100,000 kilometers, whichever one comes first. Thank you for choosing Genesis Maple.